Throughout the night sky, join Buck Roetman and Wild Horse Aviation in celebration of the gift.
A fireball in the sky. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, a nice round of applause for Buck Roetman and Santa Rapaz. Buck would like to mention credit for the music used in his performance tonight to Rule and Arrow. You can visit them at BRULErecords.com. Now, Buck is going to come around to land, and now while it's quite dark, it's becoming increasingly harder to see the Greenwood Lake Airport. Those tailwheel pitch biplanes, difficult enough to land, even made so more challenging tonight as he lands at night. So how about we give Buck some help? If you would, get those flashlights out, get your phones out, get those flashlights on and up high, get those phone lights going, and let's help get Buck Roetman safely back down on the ground.
Yep. Whoa, whose flashlight is that? Wait, is this for the truck?
It is so awesome to see all those phones out. Thank you all very much for your help. Buck Roetman safely back on deck, completing his performance in the Pitts Special S2.